Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So these are 100 see-through shower caps. You can use these if you're like cleaning in the kitchen, like making food and stuff, and you don't want to get hair in the food. I like to use these because I do make a lot of sourdough. So you can use these for the sourdough starters, like when you're letting it rise and stuff, you just put them over jars. I know a lot of people that buy these. You can buy one specifically for that. I just use these because it has a lot more room and it doesn't make a mess. You can also use them for showering if you don't want to get your hair wet. That's technically what they're intended for, or when you're cooking. But they're just your average little shower cap. I also, because it does have such a big stretch, you can also use these like when you're letting your like doughs and stuff, if you do make bread, let them rise because it is really stretchy. Like, let me go ahead and show you. Like, if I was using this for my hair, I didn't want to get my hair wet, but I wanted to shower, you can see I always look fantastic in these. Like, you can see, I mean, it's gonna work. So I do have some on some jars because I've already opened it. Doing some sourdough starter, it works great. But it just depends on what you want to use them for. This is a great deal, so that's why I wanted to share it with you guys. And I give these a 10 out of 10. I'm so happy that I got these, and there's 100, so it's going to last me forever, and I will get a lot of use out of these. And I love the fact that they are kind of compacted. You can see they're like in this, but this is also in like a little compacted kind of plastic wrap stuff, so you just pull one out at a time, which I love. I'm just going to actually keep them in this bag and then in that, and just put them in a drawer like that because it's not taking up any space whatsoever. But you can also, I have a lot of friends that take these and they take them out and they put them in little containers, and then when they need one, they use them. Most of my friends do like sourdough, so that's why they buy them. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.